Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Robothought Zero to Hero series, lesson number 39, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, now in this lesson I am going to show you what is a split string. Split string. Alright, now the split method, a split with open bracket and a close bracket, round one. Alright, returns a list where the text between a specified separator becomes the list items. It's confusing? Well, yeah, I know it's confusing, but I'm going to show you a code. I'm going to write a code in front of you and show you how it works. Basically, the split method splits the string into a substring, right? You have a line of string, you can create a multiple string within a string if it finds an instance of a separator, right? You know what is a separator. All right, let me show you an example how it works and how the split string works. Let me log into my Jetson Nano. I am already logged in. I hope you guys are logged in as well. This is my terminal, and what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to create a new Python file. All right, Nano. What do we name for the split string? You got it. Split string. S-P-L-I-T S-T-R-I-N-G. Split string dot py. Okay, I'm into my Nano. Nano ID into Jetson Nano. Alright, now A equal to, say, hello world. All right, now print, what do I print? A and then dot, and you are supposed to use the method called split, S-P-L-I-T, split. And the most important aspect is you need to use another round bracket, open bracket. Now what do you want to split? In this example of hello world, let's say I want to split the two quotes. Okay, I'll put a double quote and then I'm going to split another double quote which is there already in hello world. All right, and close the bracket, and then again you close the full bracket. All right, so this will basically, if I'm right, if I execute this program, what ideally it's supposed to happen. So it's going to split between hello, code, and comma with a square bracket and the world. Let's see what happens. How do I save it? Control O, enter, and then Control X to exit out of Nano, and you are in the command line of your Jetson Nano terminal. How do we execute this in the command line? Python 3 split string dot py. There you go. Can you see that? You got a square bracket and you are able to split that between hello, comma, world. As simple as that, guys. So you know how to use the split string, right? It's pretty simple. This example is very simple, guys. You can just play around and practice and become a master. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching again. Do leave a comment, do give a like, and I'm sure you are going to become a master very soon. I'm going to be back very soon in the next lesson. Alright, bye bye. Have a good day.